too, and they wiggle and sway, dancing in sunshine, hip hip hooray. All two bananas dancing in the breeze, wiggling and giggling with so much ease.
I'm Orson the Orange, round and bright, with a peel so sunny I shine in the light. I bring along 3 so juicy and fun, rolling and glowing under the sun.
Three oranges, juicy and new, spinning and bouncing in circles too. Pauli Plum, the plum. I'm Pauli the Plum, a bit shy and small, but I love to count. The best of all, I bring 4 plums, purple and proud. We count them softly, not too loud. All four plums, purple and neat, lined in a row, looking so sweet. Keep counting, let's go some more. We'll count to 10, maybe even more. 5, oh, 5. 5 apples, juicy and red, rolling in rhythm just like I said. 6 bananas, wiggling bright, they hop and skip from left to right. 1, 2, 10, now we're so bright, learning together feels just right. We count with joy, we count with glee, fruits and numbers, 1, 2, 3. Fruity colors time, red like apples, yellow like sun, orange and purple. Now isn't this fun? Our fruit friends shine in rainbow style, they brighten the garden with every smile. We don't just count, we learn so much, colors and numbers with every touch. Fruits are yummy and counting's cool, let's all sing in fruit, counting school. Let's play along.
Now it's your turn, Adam said with flair.
Count with us, here, there, everywhere. Everywhere. 1 apple, 2 bananas, 3 oranges full of bananas, 4 plums all lined so straight, 5 apples, isn't this great? 6 bananas with a twist, 7 oranges you won't miss, 8 plums with bouncy beats, 9 fruits dancing on their feet, 10 friends sing loud and clear, counting is awesome, hooray and cheer. Fruit garty. But all that we learned continued to grow. The fruits all cuddled beneath the tree, dreaming of numbers so happily. Thank you, friends, said Adam so proud. Counting with you makes me shout out loud. Bella, Orson, and Pauli too said tomorrow we'll count so. Fruit garting. Low, but all that we learned continued to grow. The fruits all cuddled beneath the tree, dreaming of numbers so happily. Thank you, friends, said Adam so proud. Counting with you makes me shout out loud. Bella, Orson, and Pauli too said tomorrow we'll count so.